SA Power Networks, South Australia's electricity distributor, has transformed its emergency response capabilities with Vocus satellite Starlink. 200 Vocus satellite Starlink units installed across its vehicle fleet and remote sites have dramatically improved how quickly it can restore power in communities.
Speeds are 600 times faster than previous technology we had in place. From a personal perspective and from a safety perspective and an operational efficiency, this is really game-changing for us.
With real-time data transfer and always-on connectivity, field crews can now communicate with engineers and respond faster than ever before.
There are also a lot of other factors like there's safety, there's communication, there's information about our assets, there is notifications that are going to customers, there is the ability to restore power outages faster.
Vocus partner Advanced Mobile IT designed custom vehicle mounts to keep the Starlink terminals safe on the road and out of the way of ladders and other moving parts.
We've developed what we call a ladder rack bracket. This ladder rack bracket gets attached to the ladder rack and allows for the Starlink dish to be mounted well above and have good line of sight to the sky to get really good mobile coverage and signal.
With Vocus satellite Starlink, SA Power Networks engineers are able to get information sooner, restore power faster, and keep communities better informed.
So the partnership with Vocus and AMIT is just beginning. We've really targeted a very specific use case to replace some old satellite technology, but the rest of the business is demanding this on a daily basis. This is the largest deployment of Starlink currently in Australia. I'm sure there'll be many other use cases and businesses jumping on board very quickly.